Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Pinterest app for PC with the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your online identity or rebrand your profile, this quick and easy guide has got you covered. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open the settings menu where you can customize many aspects of your Pinterest experience. Next, from the options presented, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details and preferences. Here, find and click on Edit Profile. This is where your personal info is located, including your username. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, locate the username bar. Click into this field and carefully type in your new desired username. Keep in mind that your username needs to be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, Pinterest will prompt you to choose a different one. After entering the new username, the final step is to click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Your Pinterest username will now be updated and reflected in your profile URL, which is important for your online presence. And that's all there is to it. Changing your Pinterest username on the PC app with the new update is straightforward and quick when you follow these steps. Thanks for watching.